Hey, good morning, Captain Bob here in the old garage. Okay, well, we pretty much finished up the final fit for all of our fins, the splash to the base and all that business. And then I got to thinking about it, and because it kind of makes it different, I'm making this all so it comes apart for shipping. I thought I better put, I only had a single bolt holding these splash details on, so I thought I'd better add another little dowel pin for alignment to get the proper alignment of these things. So I just drilled a pilot hole. I'm going to take these off now and find a screwdriver. Take these off, and then I'm going to drill a hole in the splash detail so that our dowel will work as intended. So that's what we're going to do next. You want to hang around and watch that? Great. If not, that's okay too. Tune in later, because sometime today I hope to start putting some varnish on this baby. First coat won't look real good, but it'll definitely, we'll see some big improvement in the looks of this thing once we get some varnish going. Alright, so now, hole right in here. The trick is I got to drill this hole perpendicular to this facial right there. I don't want this to be a really tight fit. I want it to be a little bit relaxed. Probably should. Then I gotta get Alright, I hope that should be alright. So here's what we'll do. Take that off of there. I gotta put some radiuses on this. I'm gonna go do that real quick. Then I'll be back and we'll do a trial fit up of this. Why does that fit so I don't know. Well, I'm just going to cut this off right here, right there, and then cut these two off. already. This is going to go right here. I'm thinking I'm just going to drop a little bit of glue in that hole, and I'm just going to call it good. Yeah. It's going to be that. Then you've got this guy. Okay. Drop this in this guy. Okay. Gonna let that dry. Yeah, so in the meantime, let's see. Hey, you got Bob here in the old garage. All right, well, just wanted to give you a little update on our Sailfish 123 project. I'm calling it complete. I don't know, that's what it looks like. What do you think? Got her here in the garage. Got some varnish on it, put it all together here a couple minutes ago. Yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet. I like it. Y'all have a good day. Adios. Well, there's our two Sailfish project. One in walnut. One in walnut. And one in ash. What do you think? I think they came out spectacular. A little different jumping style, each of them, but I like them both. They're beautiful. Oh well, that's what we got. Adios.